All right, guys, we're back on site. We are going to take this topsoil pile that we stripped off where the house is going, just move it over to the right for now, because we got a porch going off the front of this house. We want to make sure we have enough room, and we want to put the spoils from the house down here, and then we'll save this topsoil to go around the lot afterwards. So we're just gonna stockpile it to the right, make a nice little TP out of it, pack it in so the water stays out of it, and then we'll start cutting the house where the garage is going. We got to take a foot of material out of there, and in the back it might be like 3 foot. So doing here is we're TPing the topsoil, just like a TP. It packs it in, keeps all the water out. So when we go to reuse it to put the topsoil around the house, it's not a mucky mess, because it's so porous that that water can go right down in the tops, and then it just saturates the whole pile. So by packing it in and tracking it in, you are keeping the water, and it will shed off just like a TP roof. And it makes life a lot easier when we go to reopen that and use it for the lot. All right, gotta hear this squeaking from in the cab, so we can pump a little grease in her. Once you see these start to swell, you know you got enough. And you can also hear it because it gets a little water in there and it crackles. So I can definitely hear some squeaking going on here. Got the old hand pump going. I got all kinds. I got Milwaukees, I got Lincolns. The batteries are always dead when you need them, you know? And so it's like, started using these now. Seems to be a little bit easier. So what we're using here is a CR600 laser receiver that goes to a Spectra Spectra receiver, or Spectra laser, which is right over there, and it's hitting on the receiver there, just like you would on a pole with a stick with someone in the hole. This just saves an extra guy. So green is dead level, and it will beep super fast, and red if you're high, and it will beep slow if you are low, and red. So that is how that works. Very simple. It saves time, money, because I don't need another guy in the hole, and I can have Miko in the truck hauling the dirt out. And if you're by yourself doing a trench or a septic field, you don't need another guy in the hole. So it definitely works. You know, it's a basic system. There's obviously other systems that are much more high-tech, and you know, they all work the same, don't get me wrong there, but there's ones that are in the machines and all that, but you're spending thousands and thousands and thousands versus something that's, you know, a couple thousand. But we use it all the time, and all right, shooting from the dozer here because it's downpouring, raining. Just about the end of the day though, we got our cut. We started out a foot in the front, and in the back it's probably 5 feet. We cut this whole area 5 feet down. It's flat, and these footings will go 4 foot in the ground from this point, and over there there'll only be about 10 inches in the ground down in that corner, and then we fill in around them to get the 4 foot coverage. So that's how we had to make this cut, so the foundation would work. What a shame not to have a full basement, walkout basement. This lot is begging for it. Usually people want walkout basements, and you can't get them because the lot doesn't won't allow you to. But this lot would be ideal. But it's a lot of extra work to make it for 4 footers, I tell you. So at the end of the day, we did well. A little disappointed that it's raining though. It's gonna be a little muddy in the morning, but we'll see it.